A Streusel Coffee Cake, let's go. All-purpose flour, sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Give your dry ingredients a little mix, milk, oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Give a little pre-mix here and then pour it in. Now we have a nice silky batter. If your batter isn't as loose as this, just add a little bit more milk and a little bit more oil until you get this consistency and you'll be fine. Put this aside. You need 1/2 cup nuts. I don't have pecans, I have mixed nuts, and I do like peanut butter in my coffee cake. I think it's really good. So I have a 1/2 cup of mixed nuts here. I'm just gonna hit them up. There, crumbled. Add them. Flour, ground cinnamon, soft butter. I'm just gonna take my hand and mix it until everything's combined. Grab your pan, 9x9 or so, and spray it or use butter or parchment paper, whatever you prefer. Pour your batter. Grab your streusel mix and put it all over the batter. Try to make it as even as possible. Now it looks like this. We're gonna put it in the oven. If you could smell this, we're gonna let it sit and cool off. And now to try. Cut.